Welcome to another video, Vlogmas Day 5 today, and I'm going to take you on a brainstorming journey on my new video for my YouTube. I'm a big Sims fanatic. I love The Sims. I play almost every day. I was thinking, can I use The Sims to change my life? Can I use The Sims to gain skills? And can I use The Sims to change myself as a person? Let's go ahead and start the planning of that. And I will also take you on a little cat tour in my room, in the cat room that I've rearranged and cleaned up, and talk about my kitties a little bit. But that is what we will do today for Vlogmas. But if you're more interested in just The Sims, stay tuned for probably a multiple part series until one big video, Sims video on my YouTube. So stay tuned for that. But for now, we can brainstorm and see what's up with the cats in the cat room. So anyways, stay tuned. This house is a home to 8 cats, 7 of which are mine. Here are a few unconventional ways I do keep my kitties entertained. I thrift a lot and I find a lot of things that aren't technically made for cats but are perfect for my kitties. If it looks like a bench or something that they can sit or lay on, they will, so get it. My favorite and most recent find is this bassinet on the side of the road in front of someone's house. I do have a little Kiki in here already. They love this thing. Another thing too is my cats freaking love water. They will dig in it. They will put their heads in it to drink it. They will get their whole head and paws wet, but they will not take a shower. I have multiple cat posts. They get run down real easy. Each sim has an aspiration that you can choose. Animal lover, family, culinary, tech, special agent, a whole bunch of things. I always love to do the art aspirations and the music ones because it is something that I too am interested in. So I thought, why not use The Sims to change my life? Why not use The Sims to level myself up in a skill? As someone who has a bad time planning things, each aspiration has levels to it, and it tells you to do 2 hours, 3 hours, an hour, brainstorm, go to a museum, get inspired. Why not use this to teach myself how to be a pro at saxophone, guitar, art, writing? I feel like anything I can do in The Sims, I can do in real life.